Hello, I've got this iPhone, and this iPhone has been having problems charging. Not every time I place the cable in this connection does it make contact and start to charge. It's been doing this for quite some time now. It's getting worse. I have to move the connector around a little bit, and sometimes it'll make contact, sometimes it won't. So I've got a couple things I'm going to try here today. I've got some canned ultra duster for electronics. That's just compressed air, and I'm going to try to clean out the inside of the connection right here with that, and then kind of brush it out with a brush and see if that helps at all. If that doesn't help, I've got this Deoxit D5 that you can buy online. It's for improving electronic connections. It cleans the connections and removes oxides and that type of thing from the connection. So I'm basically going to just clean up the connections inside this iPhone and see if I can get a better contact. So I'll blow this out now and kind of scrub with the brush and see if I can't get anything to come out of there. And then I'll take a little bit of this Deoxit and spray down the contacts here. And I'll scrub that around and see if I can't get that to clean up a little bit. I tried to get a cotton swab to go down in there, but cotton swab is too large to go down in the area. And then we'll blow it out again to get all that off of there. And we'll see if we have any better contact. I do have contact that time, and it's charging. And we'll disconnect it, and we have contact again, and that's 2 out of 2 and 3 out of 3 and 4 out of 4 and 5 out of 5. So it looks like it's doing pretty good at making a connection now. Turn this over and run it in, and it's doing pretty good. I think it might have cleaned it up. So that's the way I cleaned the contacts on my iPhone, and hopefully that'll last for a while. So thank you. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe to my video, and I appreciate it. Have a good day.